If you have been using waypoints to create AI opponents for your car racing game, you must have found setting up of waypoints to be a very time-consuming job. So let's make it easy. Create an empty game object and name it Waypoints. Attach the waypoint script to it. Check description for script. Just changing color of the nodes so that they are visible. Create a new C# script and name it CreateWaypoints. First we declare some variables, one for instantiating the waypoints and one for the parent of the waypoints. Public GameObject Prefab and public transform parent. Next we create an IEnumerator for generating the waypoints. The code will generate waypoints at the interval of 0.5 seconds. Yield return new. Wait 4 seconds. 0.5f. Instantiate. Prefab. GameObject.transform.position. GameObject.transform.rotation. Parent. This will instantiate new waypoints. StartCoroutine. Create waypoints so that it is called recursively. Write StartCoroutine. Create waypoints in start method also. Add the CreateWaypoints script to your car. Create an empty game object, make a prefab of it, and assign it to the prefab slot in the CreateWaypoints script. Also assign the waypoints game object to the parent slot. Now when you play the game, the waypoints start getting created at an interval of 0.5 seconds. Complete a lap of your circuit and pause the game when you reach the starting line again. I will fast forward this part. Do not stop the game, pause it. Make a prefab of the waypoints game object, and then you can stop the game. Drag and drop the prefab in the hierarchy. In case the position gets changed, you can copy the transform component from the original waypoint game object in the hierarchy. As you can see, the waypoints have been set up properly throughout the circuit, except at the start. You can delete the extra nodes. You won't get any errors. Try to start from the same point where you will end, or else you will have to do extra adjustments. Thanks for watching. Next I will try to make a video on how you can teach the AI to break at turns in a similar way, that is by just taking a lap of the circuit. If you liked the video, consider subscribing to my channel.